Hey, I'm Melo'd. I'm coming from the Bay. I'll be performing for you July 23rd, 2010 at the Legacy of Love concert in Salt Lake City, Utah. Just want to give a special shout out to Iate University for putting this concert together. I really hope to see you guys all there. Come support. All right then, peace. Lying beside you, here in the dark, feeling your heartbeat with mine. Softly you whisper, you're so sincere. How could our love be so blind? We sailed on together, we drifted apart, and here you are by my side. Oh,